Hello and welcome to WP Clicks YouTube channel. Have you ever stumbled upon a beautiful modern site and just wished you knew which exact WordPress theme it was using? Today we're going to show you how to find out. It's actually very simple. What you need to do is open the website in your browser and right-click anywhere on the page except on images. Now click on Inspect, which will open a code section on the right. Don't let that scare you, you're almost there. Press Ctrl F or Command F if you're using a Mac and type Style CSS in the search field. Look for the highlighted search result. Locate the line where it says Style CSS, double-click with your left mouse button and copy the link. Now open a new browser tab or window and paste the link. This will take you to another page with the results of the CSS file. The name of the theme should be listed right there at the top. And that's it. We hope you found this tutorial helpful. For more information on this topic, check out the description and make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel.